How to change your slide orientation from landscape to portrait. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your slides orientation from landscape to portrait. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First, open up your PowerPoint presentation. After you open it up, on the top, you should see a lot of these options like home, insert, draw, design, transition, and so on. So to change the orientation, we'll need to go to design. After you tap on design, you will see these pop up. Now here you will see slide size. Tap on slide size and you will see two different options, that is standard and widescreen. We'll need to go to custom slide size. Tap on custom and here under orientation you will see slides and portrait and landscape. Choose on portrait and tap on OK. After you do so, you can choose either to maximize it or ensure it. So I'll just ensure it and there you can see now it is on portrait mode. Now you can adjust this as you'd like. You can increase this and set it up to your liking, change it or add something completely new, and that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.